Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Okay, y'all, well, I'm getting ready to do a cook with me. I'm cooking the apple bowl, and I just have my chicken tenderloins, some shrimp, my pineapple, some eggs, rice, and my little sauces. And I can get more into details on everything once I start getting everything cooked. So I'm just about to take a few slices of this chicken out the pack, rinse it off, and pat dry. I'm gonna do the same thing with the shrimp, and I have to cut that up. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I will be following the recipe from this girl off of TikTok, and her name is Nakia or Nakaya, I'm not sure. And this is the ingredients. Let me rinse the pineapple off. So y'all, I need to invest in a good knife. So I hope this knife can cut this pineapple, okay? Ah! Girl, I'm about to cut myself. Okay, so I have this one. I think I'm just gonna save this one. We're gonna work with this one. Now I'm just about to cut in the pineapple to make a bowl. I cut a little section out. Honey, it ain't perfect, but it's gonna do. So now I'm just about to pat dry my chicken so I can chop it up and season it. Pat dry my shrimp. So now I'm just about to add some minced garlic to the pan and some butter to the pan before I put the chicken in there. So the chicken is ready to come up. I'm about to take it out and put the shrimp in. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just about to crack 3 eggs. Y'all, I did go back and add a little bit of milk